All right guys, welcome back to the channel. Continuing with some truck maintenance today. I'm hearing a lot of gurgling when I start up the truck, and the forums say it may have to do with low antifreeze or low coolant. So I picked up this blue antifreeze for Nissan. I got this from an auto parts store. I'm hoping that if I fill up the reservoir just above the fill line, it will hopefully get rid of that gurgling noise. And also, I haven't added any, and I've had the truck for almost 2 years now. I haven't added any of this, so it may just be time to add a little bit more and check the levels there. So we'll be showing you how to do that today. Let's get started. Okay, so we're here on the passenger side of the truck, and we just need to remove this to fill the reservoir. And so the fill line is really just about halfway up of this reservoir. There's a seam where the two halves meet, and that is the fill line. I'm going to fill it just a hair higher. Just because I think that's what may get rid of the gurgling noise. If you don't have that gurgling noise, then I would just say fill this up where you're supposed to fill it, which is the halfway point. Again, this is the blue, and this is already pre-mixed 50-50. Don't add anything to this. Okay, I'm still not even halfway. Okay, now I'm at the halfway mark. So I'm going to fill it up just above that. Okay, that is just a hair above the halfway point. So, feel good about that level. Just show you there, you can just see just a little bit of a blue hue right there above that halfway point. Okay, and then just to finish up, just clean up your area a little bit. I don't want to get any debris from one of these paper towels in there, so I'm just going to seal this up first. Okay, and then I'm just going to pat this so that I get up all this antifreeze. All right guys, that is the video. I hope it was helpful. If you have to fill this, I'm not going to show the gurgling that the engine was making before. You'll know it if you hear it. And I'm just hoping next startup, it'll be gone. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. Till next time.